Formation of the moon. Scientists hypothesize that the moon formed after an enormous collision early in Earth's history. At that time, about 4.6 billion years ago, the solar system was full of pieces of rocky debris, some of which were the size of small planets. This debris frequently collided with the planets, creating many large craters. While Earth was still forming, a Mars-sized object probably collided with it off-center. This collision ejected a large amount of material into space. This material orbited Earth until eventually came together to form the moon. Phases of the moon. The moon doesn't produce its own light. You can see the moon because it reflects light from the sun. When you look at the moon, it sometimes appears full and bright, and sometimes appears as only a sliver. The different shapes of the moon visible from Earth are called phases. The moon's phases are caused by changes in the relative positions of the moon, sun, and Earth as the moon revolves around Earth. Sunlight illuminates half of the moon. The phase of the moon depends on how much of the sunlit portion of the moon is facing Earth. If you were to track the appearance of the moon from day to day, you would notice that the moon's phases change according to a regular cycle. Figure 8 shows the positions of the moon during its phases. A full moon occurs when the moon is on the opposite side of Earth from the sun, and the whole side of the moon facing Earth is lit by the sun. A new moon occurs when the moon is directly between the sun and Earth. A new moon cannot be seen from Earth because the sunlit side of the moon is facing away from us. It takes about 29.5 days for the moon to complete a full cycle of the phases from full moon to new moon and back again. This period of time is known as a lunar month.